morning, children. So today we will discuss about 17th dated assignment biology. Our topic is cell, its structure and functions. In this assignment we have 3 questions. What is the first question? In this assignment we will discuss about the cell organelles, lysosomes and mitochondria. So we have 3 questions here. So what is the first question? What happens if lysosomes are absent in cells? So what happens if lysosomes are absent inside the cells? Lysosomes are the cell organelles which are present inside the cell, which are spherical in shape. So if they are absent, the waste materials are accumulated. So waste materials are accumulated. The cell won't function properly, right? So if lysosomes are absent, what happens in the cell? Waste materials are accumulated, the cell won't function properly. So lysosomes are very important to remove the waste material in the cell. So next question. Lysosomes are known as suicidal bags in the cell wall. Or called suicidal bags in the cell wall. Lysosomes contain a digestive enzyme, so it helps in cleaning of the cell and digesting any foreign material entering into the cell, such as bacteria, it may be food or any other old organelles. So when this lysosome will burst, think that this is an lysosome. When this lysosome will burst, the digestive enzyme digests its own cell. So we call lysosomes as suicidal bags. So lysosomes contain an digestive enzyme. So it helps in cleaning of the cell and digesting any foreign material entering into the cell, like bacteria, food and old cell organelles. So when this lysosome will burst, this digestive enzyme will digest its own cell. So that is the reason we call lysosomes are suicidal bags. So next question, how do you observe mitochondria in onion peel? in onion peel. So this is an activity. So for this aim, apparatus required, procedure and observation. When you go with an aim, so what is your aim? To observe mitochondria in onion peel. So what are the materials required for this experiment? So aim to observe onion peel mitochondria in onion peel. So apparatus or materials required for this experiment: microscope, slide, Janus green B solution, needle, cover slip, so the materials required for this experiment are Janus green B solution, microscope, slide, needle, cover slip, water. So these are the apparatus or materials required for this experiment. So this is your slide. This is watch glass. So where we will prepare the solution, the Janus green B solution. So this is your watch glass. This is the slide required for this experiment. So these are the apparatus required for the experiment. So microscope, slide, Janus green B solution, needle, cover slip and water. Next, procedure. So first prepare Janus green B solution. So how you will prepare your Janus green B solution? Make a fresh Janus green B solution in a watch glass. Now take 200 mg of Janus green B solution in 100 ml of water. So this is how you can prepare your Janus green B solution. Take 200 mg of Janus green B solution in 100 ml of water and prepare it. Put this onion peel, take your slice of your onion peel. Put this onion peel in this Janus green B solution for a half an hour, and after that take this onion peel, place it on a slide. Before placing it on a slide, wash the onion peel, place the onion peel on a slide. After preparing your Janus green B solution, put onion peel in this solution for half an hour, right? After this, wash this onion peel. So wash onion peel and place it on a slide. Now cover the slide with cover slip and observe it under microscope. Next, cover the slide with cover slip and microscope. Right? So this is our procedure. Now, what is your observation next? What you will observe under microscope? Our observation will find oval, cylindrical, green color structures, granules, which are scattered in the cytoplasm. So now we will observe oval or cylindrical granules scattered in the cytoplasm. So this green color cylindrical structures which are scattered in the cytoplasm, we call them as mitochondria. We conclude it as mitochondria. So by this we can conclude the experiment that we can find the mitochondria in onion peel. So this is the procedure for this experiment. So when you go with your aim to observe mitochondria in onion peel, your procedure, first prepare your fresh Janus green B solution. For this you must take 200 mg of your Janus green B solution in 100 ml of water. Now place like taking this onion peel and put this in this solution, and after that make it for half an hour, put it for half an hour, and after half an hour take this onion peel, place it on a slide. Now cover it with cover slip and place under microscope and observe the structure. So when you observe the structure, you will find oval cylindrical granules scattered in the cytoplasm. So this is nothing but this green color structures, cylindrical structures, we call them as mitochondria. So the picture you will observe under microscope will be like this. So mitochondria in onion peel. So this is how you can observe the mitochondria structure under microscope. Thank you. Stay home, stay free. Thank you once again.